Howdy there, YouTube. Today at the yard, got the PJ trailer hooked up. It's a LY model, which is the low pro, as you can see, with the hydraulic dovetail, as you can see. So I'm going to show you real quick how to use the hydraulic dovetail. So for those of you who don't know, from this point back, that is your ramp for the trailer. It drops down to the ground. The bumper right there with all the lights on it, all dirty. It's on springs, and as you put the tail down, it collapses up inside under the deck. So that lets you a full width of trailer deck for you to use as a ramp to drive equipment up on. So there's a toolbox right here on the side of the trailer, on our trailer. Some of them I know you can get it put up front, I've seen, but ours is right here. There's a battery, there's a pump, and a remote. So remote, simple, up down, press the up button, the dovetail goes up. Just a little bit. Now you walk over here. That lever right here, you push down and around so it's facing forward. Needs some grease. That lifts your locking paws, locking levers up that sit on the hydraulic cylinders underneath the trailer. Back to your pump. Hit the down button. Boom. Just like that. You have a ramp to drive equipment up onto the trailer. Now, I will say there's some drawbacks, like the diamond plate. It gets slick, the wood gets slick, the I-beams all get slick. Eventually what we want to do is get expanded metal and cover the whole tail with it, or at least from the I-beams out to the rub rail, and anything that's steel, like the whole diamond plate there and the two fender wells. Give it a little bit more traction, but for most stuff it works just fine. You can't get cars up here rarely. Some trucks, if they're longer wheelbase, you have to watch for exhaust and transmission cross members and running boards. Yeah, but we've been able to get pretty much everything up here on it. So I'd recommend it more for a farmer personally, or someone that has a lot of equipment like skid steers and whatnot. But all right, I'll put this back up same way. Just hit the up button. You go all the way up like so. Come back to your lever, flip it full backwards, that locks it. Come back, Hit the down button. Boom. That's simple. Now, load rating. If you look at the sticker right there, maximum load capacity of Dovetail shall not exceed 4,000 pounds. Do not place cargo behind this point. So, the whole Dovetail, when it's up, can't carry more than 4,000 pounds. Not supposed to carry more than 4,000 pounds. And you're not supposed to put anything past this stake pocket right here, back. I will tell you right now, we have had that overloaded. We have had shit all the way to the back. We've had stuff overhanging 6 feet. Poly pipe. That wasn't a big load, so I don't think that was much of a problem, but some of the other ones were a problem. And all I'm going to say to that is learn from our mistakes, and don't do that unless you want some hefty repair bills or you know a welder. So yeah, but that's the PJ hydraulic Dovetail and how to use it, and some information on the load capacity and whatnot. But it's pretty nifty. I like it. It's not for everything, but it is handy to have. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more. You can follow me on Instagram and Facebook, K30Crazy. And until next time, stay crazy. Have a good one.